My name is Rosy and I'm at MBJ Beauty. I'm here for a makeover. This is my first time trying makeup, and I know with Miss Josie I'm going to look so nice at the end. I just can't wait to see how I'll look at the end. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I hope you are all staying safe. So I'd like to give a shout out to these amazing people who left me a lovely comment in my previous video. So far, meet my lovely model here. Her name is Rhoda and I am super excited to do her makeup for the first time. So I already groomed her brows and I went in to wipe her face with some wipes to take away the oils and the dirt, and I am going in now to apply some lip balm. You made this mess and left me. I'm now going in to apply some primer, and I'm going to use my MAC Prep and Prime, and using my Colorbox Big Mama Beauty Blender, I'm going to blend that mist into her skin. Now taking my Becca mattifying primer, I'm going to apply this primer on her T-zone areas, i.e. her forehead, her nose, her under eye area and her chin area. And this is going to help control the oils in these areas. So I'm going to start with the brows, and I'm going to take this ABH brow pomade in Ebony, and using my Zorea Duo brush, I'm going to use the spoolie end of that brush to brush her brows, and I'm going to outline her brow with a dark brown pencil before I go in with my ABH brow pomade and fill in the rest of the brows. It's now time for foundation, and I'm going to use the original foundation on one side to do a patch test, and I realized that the original foundation was a little bit too pale for her skin tone, so I went in to mix some orange pigment, and the original foundation is the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation in Mahogany, and I'm going to mix it with my LA Girl Pro Color Foundation mixing pigment in orange, and that gave me the perfect match for her skin tone. Now fam, this foundation is really mattifying, and so I realized that after applying the foundation all over her face, I needed to go in with a little bit more of my MAC Prep and Prime spray to loosen the foundation a little bit more, to make it more manageable for me to blend it out.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only.
So fam, I'm going to go in now with a little bit more of the foundation on the under eye area, and also take some of what is left on my brush on her neck area, and I'm going to blend that out afterwards.
I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
So for concealer, I'm going to mix my two favorite concealers, which is my Revolution in C12.5 and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And I'm going to apply those in the areas I usually highlight, which is the chin area, the under eye area, the forehead area, and the bridge of the nose. And right after applying, I'm going to go in and blend.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Now I'm going to contour with my Revolution Super Size Conceal and Define Concealer in C17, and I'm going to blend afterwards. So I chose this particular shade because it complements her skin tone and it's not too dark. It gives the right kind of darkness I need to contour her face.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
I'm going to take my Covergirl True Blend It's Lit Concealer and I'm going to use that to define the brows. And I'm going to use my Colorbox Limited Edition Duo Brush to apply and blend.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
So I'm going in with my LA Girl and Revolution concealer combo to reapply on the under eye area and the eyelids and also the bridge of the nose, because I feel I need a little bit more coverage and also a little bit more highlight in these areas. And applying some concealer on the eyelids will also serve as an eyeshadow base for the eyeshadow I'm going to apply.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only.
Now to set the highlighted areas, I'm going to mix my Sacha Buttercup powder and my Mercier Translucent powder, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to apply the setting powder. Now using a damp beauty blender to set the highlighted area with that loose powder helps the powder to melt into the face flawlessly.
I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately.
So I'm going to reverse contour with the same Sacha Buttercup powder and Mercier combo, and I'm going to set the under eye area, especially the area closer to her eyes, with a more detailed brush, as well as the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to apply some powder underneath her eye to catch any fallouts from my eyeshadow application and not necessarily to bake. And for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette and my Magic palette. And from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, I'm going to take this shade called Zulu and apply that on the outer V and take some of that shade into the crease area.
I can't focus. I can't forget.
Now I'm going to take this shade called Burkina and use that to blend the edges of Zulu, and I'm using my Colorbox Limited Edition Fluffy brush. And for my Magic palette, I'm going to take this shade called Casey, and I'm going to apply that from the inner to the middle part of the eyelid. And I love this shade. It's an off-white color and it's the best color for the look I'm trying to create. And now I'm going in with all the shades I applied just to intensify the eyeshadow look. So to finish with the eyes, I am now going in with some eyeliner and some mascara, and I'm also going to fix some falsies afterwards. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you have come this far in this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and join the Josie family. So far, after applying the two falsies, I compared the two eyes and I realized that the left eye was a little bit straight, as in the eyelash looked straight. So I went in with an eyelash curler just to curl the lashes in a little bit more for it to look like the right eye. And I'm going to show you a before and after so that we compare the two. So as you can see in this picture, the eyelash on the right side looks a little bit more curled than the left, and after you could see that the two are looking a little bit more similar. I'm going in now to blend the powder I used underneath her eye with a detailed brush, and I'm going to finish with the eye look.
It's not like I need it, and you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it.
So I'm going to use this silver pencil to line the area close to her waterline and apply some mascara on the lower lashes. And I love how this silver pencil has tied the whole look together. And I'm going to finish with the rest of the face, and I'm going to use my Covergirl bronzer to bronze the areas that I contoured, and I'm going to use what is left in that brush to blend the areas I also applied the powder to reverse contour. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 40 Dark, and I am going to use that to blend the neck area and also take what is left in that brush to sort of set the entire face. And for blush, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. blush in dark, and I'm going to mix the two pink shades to apply. And for highlighter, I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome and highlight the brow bone area as well as the cheekbone area, and also highlight the bridge of the nose. And I love how this look turned out, fam. Finally, for the lips, I'm going to line the lips with a dark brown pencil, and I'm going to top that with a dark green pencil. And I'm going for a green color, a dark green color for the lips, and I'm going to take that color or that shade from my Revolution Pro lip kit in reds and vamps.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
So this is the final look, and this is the beautiful before of my client, and this is the beautiful after. I love how this look turned out, fam, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have watched this video to this point, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to be featured in my next video, also leave a lovely comment in the comment section below.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it.
Hey, good girl. I can see my model is enjoying her look. She really loved how this look turned out, fam. So that's it for this video, fam. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up. Love you all. Mwah. Bye, fam.